At Dynamics eShop, we strive to transform businesses by offering complete e-commerce solutions for Microsoft Dynamics. With over 20 years of experience, we've helped hundreds of companies streamline their operating systems. Fully driven by your ERP data and business logic, we build a real-time integrated web store that's smart, intuitive, and engaging. Our experts provide advanced e-commerce solutions for Microsoft Dynamics Nav, Dynamics 365 Business Central, and Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. We offer a wide variety of custom products, such as B2B and B2C customer portals. These are both tailored with your clients in mind, saving you time and resources. Our sales portal guarantees that your sales team is equipped with all they need to maximize sales and provide great order management. Our payment portal provides secure payments right on your web store with real-time connection to your ERP. The supplier vendor portal offers greater transparency, reduced redundancy, and manual errors with a centralized platform for collaboration. We also provide eShop connectors. eShop connectors offer full integration between your Dynamics ERP and popular systems like Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and Magento. Dynamics eShop has revamped companies in industries like agriculture, automotive, food and beverage, and even medical supplies. Companies choose us because we're fast, efficient, and affordable. Interested in working with us? Contact our team for a free personalized demo so we can show you just all that we have to offer.